Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Facebook account online on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Facebook account on your iPhone, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account which you want to delete on your iPhone. And I've already logged into my account guys. Now to proceed to delete the Facebook account, at the bottom right corner of the screen guys, you can see the menu icon or the three-lined icon. Tap on that button, and over here the guys will be directed to this page where you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, or you can just scroll down and you can find the settings and privacy. You can tap on either of these buttons and again tap on settings to land on this panel. And with that being done guys, to further proceed with the deletion of our account, let's simply tap on the accounts centered by Meta. Tap on that and you will find all of your linked accounts over here. And over here guys, you can see there is the personal details option available for us. Tap on the personal details, and over here guys, on the personal details section at the bottom of the list, you can see the account ownership and control. Simply tap on that, and over here guys, you can see the deactivation or deletion option available for us. Simply tap on that deactivation or deletion, and you will find your Facebook account over here guys. Simply tap on the Facebook first, and after that guys, you can choose to either deactivate your account or delete your account. We'll be proceeding with the deletion of our account, so let's tap on the delete account and tap on continue. And over here guys, you can see I have created 2 pages with my Facebook account. Similarly, all of your pages will be available over here which you had created with your Facebook account. You can manage your pages from over here, but if you want to delete them as well too, tap on continue. And on the next step guys, you will be required to choose a reason why do you want to delete a Facebook account. I'll be just going with the I no longer find Facebook useful, and after that tap on continue. And over here guys, again there is the continue button, but you can read all of the things or information by Facebook itself. And with that being said, let's tap on continue again. And over here guys, you can see before you delete your account, you can just choose to deactivate your account, say post in your archive, download your Facebook information, and after that transfer a copy of your information, view the apps you have logged into with your Facebook account, and manage all of these things before you delete your account. But if you have done that, tap on continue again, and over here you'll be required to enter your password of your Facebook account. And after entering your password guys, simply tap on the continue button, and you will be able to, or you will have deleted your Facebook account on your iPhone. And there guys, this is how you delete your Facebook account on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.